Hello everyone, this is Rohit Dudam and welcome to my channel Padmayo. In today's session I am going to demonstrate Paschimottanasana. In English we call it as a seated forward bending. So this is my 5th episode, which is sitting asana series. Okay. So if you want to do Paschimottanasana, you need to know Janu, then Dandasana, then Revolved head to knee pose means these 3 asanas you should know, and then after you can do a Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana is the final sitting posture, means in seated forward bending. So this asana, as usual, my 4th episode was Janu. I already explained what are the benefits. Same benefits for Paschimottanasana only. In Janu Sirsasana, we were taking only 1 leg, but here we are taking 2 legs to stretch. Okay. So as usual, first is precaution. What precaution is must if you have gone through any knee surgery, stomach surgery? So please don't try this. You can take your doctor advice when you can start, and then later on you can watch my video. If you have any concern or if you want to talk with me, you can comment on my channel. I will reply definitely. Okay. So we covered precaution. Benefits wise, this asana is really good for stress relief. Then belly fat, you can reduce your belly fat. Then depression. I'll come to that point. But first, let's start from Paschimottanasana. How we can start. I'll go step by step. I will give more detail on this who want to start Paschimottanasana. But please follow all instruction. As I already said, Dandasana, Janu Sirsasana, Revolved head to knee pose. Then you can start Paschimottanasana. Okay. So let's start Paschimottanasana. First, I will show you how to do Paschimottanasana. Later on, you can do with me. I will show you again how to take, how to inhale, exhale, where you need to bend forward. Okay. So let's start Paschimottanasana. Sit in Dandasana first. Okay. And one more point regarding time. If you are a beginner, do this for 10 to 30 seconds. Okay. If you are doing regular practice and you are expert, so please this to till 1 to 3 minutes. Okay. Yes. First, sit in Dandasana, back straight. Okay. And leg straight. Here in Paschimottanasana, we are taking 2 legs in front of you. Okay. Do not bend your knee. This is very important. Now it is going to stretch your hamstring as well. Okay. Now see. First, hold your thumb, or else you can raise your hands like this. Inhale through exhalation, bend forward. Okay. See the posture. Hold for 10 seconds. Through exhalation, up. Okay. Now you can do with me, but I forgot to tell in this session warm-ups. So ankle rotation, then knee up and down, and third one is hamstring. Okay. So please do this warm-up. I forgot to tell in this video, but okay. I'll do 5 repetitions here, okay, for you if you have not gone through my previous video. Okay, let's start. Ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now next is knee related. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, lift your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hamstring stretching. Hold your right leg. Keep your heel to left leg, inner thigh. Now fold your left leg. Interlock your finger. Put your toe. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same as it is for right leg. Hold your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It helps to stretch your hamstring. Okay, so we covered warm up as well. Now I will show you, or you can do with me, how to do Paschimottanasana. As I already shown you, but now you can do it. Okay, step 1, sit in Dandasana, leg straight, do not bend your knee, back straight. Okay, through inhalation, raise your 2 hands. Is it clear? Now through exhalation, bend forward. See. Through exhalation, bend forward. You will feel stretch hamstring and stomach area, in abdominal area, and it helps to stretch more on back as well. Okay. Now again, through exhalation, bend forward. Hold your palm. Again. You can hold your heel as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Through inhalation, up. Release from this posture. Okay. Now we covered Paschimottanasana. Okay. Now comes to the benefits. The benefits are same as like Janu Sirsasana. Only difference is you need to take 2 legs in front of you. That's first one is it helps to reduce your stress. Okay, it helps to eliminate mild depression. Third, it helps to reduce your belly fat. Fourth, it helps to reduce your weight. Okay. If you have a stress or depression, please do this asana. You will definitely get result. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any complaints, comments, you can comment on my channel. I will respond you each and every question. Or if you still not subscribe my channel, so please do subscribe, like and share as much as possible, because this is my aim to share my knowledge to everyone. Okay, so thanks a lot for your support. Thank you very much. Try this.